I began by the exercise like a trainer. And the problem that I have sometimes, the quality of the training is good, but not so precise, not so segmental. Segmental means if I want to have more than 600 muscles on the body, I want to know an exercise for each of them. An exercise for the beginning of each muscle, the middle of each muscle, the deeper part of each muscle, the more superficial part of this muscle. I want to know how it's possible to do myofascial stretching for this muscle. I want to know it's possible to create the awareness of all the joints of the body. I want to know it's possible to give some exercise for all the visceral things. For that, I have organized during many, many years, after all my study in biomechanics, my dissection course, and after my practice that I have in training and in therapy, I have organized a lot of courses with, like the LDOA, to DQAP, like the GPS, Global Postural Stretching, like the GDN, Global Dynamic Normalization, that my awareness, my specific proprioception, and a lot of things like that.
So could you give us an example, for instance, let's say if somebody had a knee injury and torn the ACL, the anterior cruciate ligament, how this can be applied to the rehabilitation of the knee?
The rehabilitation of the joint, classically, you have one specific rule. All the time you need to use a lot of proprioception exercise. But the proprioception exercise that I study at school, in the PT school, principally, is the proprioception of the knee, or proprioception of the ankle. Proprioception of the knee, for me, don't exist, because in the knee you have more than 20 different ligaments. The exercise, if you do a tear or a sprain of a specific, the ACL in your example, or after surgery for the ACL, if you want to do the proprioception, it's not the proprioception of the knee, it's a specific proprioception of the specific ligament, the ACL today. If I will do a proprioception for all the knee, all the good ligament work, and that increase the gradient, the difference between the good ligament and the bad one. It's not a good thing. The goal of my exercise is to find a specific exercise with a specific posture, in organizing the joint, the posture of the joint above and the joint below, and to try to know exactly a specific posture to focus on the ACL, or on the PCL, or on the lateral collateral ligament, or the medial collateral ligament. If you have 20 ligaments on the knee, I have created and organized 20 different exercises of proprioception for the knee.